Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I will create this artificial moon in the video and also this rocket which is moving to the moon. Delete this cube. Now click. First we will create a rocket for the moon mission. So click Add Mesh Cylinder, and this cylinder we can make it little bit big like this, and then click Add Mesh Cone. We can bring the cone towards here, and we can duplicate this cone by Shift D. Click in keyboard the Shift D and bring this cone down. So this is just a simple rocket for the moon mission, and we can also right click on this and also on this one, shade smooth on this one. So now we need to click on this one and then this cylinder and click Ctrl J in keyboard. So now this both are one part, and we can click this and just go to this material tab and add new material. Then you can change this surface to emission, and you can just make it like 50, and also you can click on this tab, this render, and you can click the bloom tick mark. So now if we click this, so you can see this is very light. Or if you want to change the light a little bit more, like 70. So this is now our rocket is ready. So now we will click first this tail, then the cylinder, and we can click Ctrl P in keyboard, and we can click Object Keep Transform. So now I just recorded the moon in the evening time, so I can just open that one. So first we should click this plus icon, VFX and motion tracking. Now click open, and I put the video in this one folder, this one. Just open the clip, and this is the moon. So I can click this add, and you can click this on the moon. So I just added this smart tracker to the moon, and if you want to do automatic tracking, then you can click this and then search. In this search bar we can make it big by clicking S in keyboard. In this one we should make it small, but the video is a little bit big, so we should pre-pitch it. So it will take some seconds, so in this time you can subscribe to my channel. So pre-pitching is done. So now the frame is 250 by default, but if we click set scene frame, it will make it 609 the whole video. And if we click this arrow, it will start tracking. So it will also take some seconds. So again, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, because I want to make more videos, and I try to make in the easiest way. So maybe you will get some benefit, and I will also get some benefit from it. So now this is 87%, 88. So this will be finishing maybe within a few seconds. But this is very interesting VFX. So now this is 95%, 96, so it's about to finish. 97, 98. Now it's done. So you can click this reconstruction and link empty to track. So now this tracking is finished, so you can click on layout, and from here you can click on the camera and also this camera. So you can click this camera and then the camera tab, but first we should do another thing. We can click here because I do not want to see this grid, so we can rotate the camera. So you can click this one and also camera selected, and this X should be like 100 or 120 like that. So now this is the camera is up, a little bit up from the grid. So we can click again this camera, this icon in background image, and you can click this tab and add image movie clip. So you should open the same clip which we tracked just before. So click again this one and click open. So now you can see if we play it, you will see the tracker is moving with the moon. So now I want to this, because we are doing this tracking, it is just for the depth. In this video the moon is the same moon, we are not. If you want to put artificial moon here, we can also put. We should just click this and we can just snap the cursor to the selected. So now if you want to put artificial moon, we can click this UV sphere, then we can make it little bit small like this, and we can just click shade smoother if you just want the same, and you can click then emission. We can just click this emission, and we can just, if we want to make it like sun or the moon, so the moon is not so bright, so we can make it. This is just I did additional work, otherwise this. And we should also now click on this moon, the artificial moon, and then this tracker, and we can click Ctrl P and keep transform. And if we want to hide the tracker, we can click the tracker and just hide it from here. So now I want to this rocket to toward the, but this rocket is very big, so I can make it small. So I should select both this rocket and this tail, and click S in keyboard and make it this line small. Now we can click again the camera and just bring it up here like this. So now if you see, now still this is very big, so we can make it little bit small, and if like this. So now we want to start our rocket toward the moon, so just click on the rocket and also on the tail and click this auto key, then just little move it, and if we click like this 100, we can make it little bit here, and also we can make it little bit small again. So when it's moving, it will be becoming small and small. So click S in keyboard and make it little bit small. Now just go to like 100 and bring this like here, and also small. Now go to like this 200 and then bring it up, and further we will make it little bit small. So now I just rotate this because this is 600 frame. So now I should go to like this 300 and just bring it toward like this, and I should make it little bit more small, and now like this 500 or something, just bring it near the moon, and at the end you should also bring it to near the moon. So when we play it, you will see that the rocket is moving toward the moon. So this is how you can make it bigger or whatever you like, and you can make it like this. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Because my system is little bit slow due to this recording start and also this, you can make the rocket little bit bigger so it will not, it can be seen easily.